Hey guys, welcome to our fourth lesson, and again, I'm going to work on the highlighted questions with you guys, and then you guys are going to pause the video to work on the rest, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys the answer key, so then you guys can check your work. Okay, so let's start with finding missing factors. Okay, so let's look at number 1. So blank times 3 equals 21. Well, what do we do to find that blank? Well, we use division, right? So, (21) divided by 3 equals what? 7, right? So your answer is 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. Okay, next, number 6. Blank times 2 equals 22. Well, again, what times 2 equals 22? Well, let's do 22 divided by 2. And that equals 11, right? So your answer is 11. Okay. Number 11. So now it is 60 divided by blank something equals 10. Well, let's think of it this way. We could find that blank by doing 60 divided by 10. Okay? What's 60 divided by 10? 10 times what equals 60? 6, right? So your answer is 6. So 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So last but not least, number 16. 21 divided by something equals 7. So again, let's do 21 divided by 7. 7 times what equals 21? 7 times 3 equals 21, right? So your answer is 3. Okay, so easy stuff. Go ahead and finish the rest. And then let's move on to patterns. So it says continue the pattern. So number 1. Do you guys see the pattern? Well, hopefully you guys do, because it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80, right? Next, number 2. Do you guys see the pattern again? Well, hopefully you guys do, because it is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, and 88. Well, these 2 examples, we actually didn't have to do any math, and we could just tell by looking, right? Because it was pretty easy. But the proper way of figuring out patterns would be okay, we got to know the sequence. Okay, so for the first one, we kept adding, 10, right? And then for the second one, we added 11, plus 11, plus 11, okay? So that was the sequence. That was the pattern. So finish this page, and then let's move on to time. So it says draw the hands on the clock. So let's look at number 1. It is 5:50. Okay, so 5, okay, and then 50. Right, easy. And then number 6, 9, 12, so 9, and then 12. Might be over in here. Okay, so hopefully you guys you guys should be familiar with the clock and then the time. So go ahead and finish this. And let's move on to, again, time. Well, but this time we are dealing with AM or PM. Okay? So when does school start? Is it AM or does it start in PM? Well, AM refers to the morning. Okay? Oh, wait. Here. AM is midnight. Is midnight to morning. Okay? So it's midnight to morning, and then how about PM? Well, it is from afternoon. It's from afternoon to midnight. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Okay. And wait. So if we draw the clock, right? That's 12. 6. That's 3. So from midnight, right? All the way to morning. When does morning end? 12 o'clock, 12 p.m., right? So the morning, so midnight to morning is considered AM. Okay, so 12 a.m. Oh my god. So 12 a.m. through 11:59 a.m. Okay, and then afternoon, which is 12 p.m. Okay, to midnight, which is 11:59 p.m. Okay, so forget about so this kind of makes it confusing. Okay, so when does school start? It starts in the morning, right? So it must be AM. Okay. How about eating dinner? When do you guys eat dinner? Do you guys eat in the morning or do we eat dinner at night? At night, right? So it must be PM. Okay. So hopefully I made it clear. Hopefully it's not that hard. So finish it and then let's move on to word problems. So it says to raise money for their school, Lily sold 10 boxes of cookies. 10 boxes of cookies and Lucia sold 7 boxes. Okay, each box cost $5. How much money did they raise in total? So Lily sold 10 boxes of cookies. So 10 times 5 equals 50. So she got $50. And then Lucia, she earned $35. Okay. So in total, they raised, do 50 plus 35, and they raised $85 in total. Okay. So finish the rest. And here is your answer key.